Now, another reason behind website attacks is ransomware. If we presume that this is the website, the hacker may launch website attack and they may lock the website, and we may not be able to have access to the files. Then it may be also possible that all the files which are lying in the website get encrypted. That is, they will not be in the readable form. Though we will be in a position to access the files which are lying there on the website, but that will be encrypted by the hackers. So, to unlock the system or to get the access to those files which are on the websites in the original form, the hackers will demand ransom, just like in the real life the thieves or dacoits demand money to release the hostages. In the same way, the hackers held the website hostage, or they encrypt the files of the website and demand ransom so that they can release the website or unlock the website, or they can decrypt the files and return the access of the website to you. So ransomware is, in the case of ransomware, they infect the system, data gets logged, and they demand payment, which is ransom. Average time for infection to ransom demand is 15 minutes. It means that when the ransomware attack is launched on a website, normally the hackers demand money within 15 minutes of launching the ransomware attack. And it has been stated that a large amount of money was demanded in WannaCry attack. So ransomware is also one of the reasons behind website. Now the topic before us is hacking the mind, not the machine, social engineering attacks on websites. As it is clear from the caption that in the case of social engineering attacks, the mind is hacked and not the machine. That is, in the case of social engineering attacks, the hackers do not target the technical weaknesses of the system. They target the human psychology. That is, they lay a trap for the human being so that they can get access to the sensitive information, or they get access to the system. Now the picture is before you. The social engineering is the art and science of getting people to comply with your wishes. Here, behind the scene are hackers who are making the people or the targets to dance at their wishes. Imagine you are working on your computer. This is the computer and you are working. Suddenly a pop-up message appears on your screen that some sort of virus or security alert is there. Some pop-up message is there. And below that, there are given certain telephone numbers for help. You become very stressful on seeing this alert message that some virus has hit your computer. You do not think anything. You immediately call the telephone number which is given. On the other side, a very humble voice comes and they introduce themselves as cybersecurity experts or technical experts which are always there to help you in case of any problem. You tell your problem that some message is appearing on your site, they will tell you no problem, they are always at your disposal. You are simply to give access of your computer to them, or you can download a certain software on your site, on your computer system, and the problem will be removed. You do not think anything adverse against you. You think that the person is telling true. You may give the login credentials, or you may give the remote access of your computer to the other person who is on the telephone line on the other side, or as per the advices of the other person, you may download certain software on your computer. Then what will happen? If you give the access of the computer to the other person, they may plant a malicious software on your computer, or if you download the software, it may be malicious. In that case also, the software or the malicious software which has been planted on your computer system will give the access of your site to the other person or the hacker. Then all the information or the confidential or sensitive information or the personal information of the users which is lying on the website goes into the hands of the hackers. They may use it for identity theft, or they may remotely lock it, the information, remotely lock all the files, or demand ransom from the website owner. Here, these are some of the common forms of social engineering attacks. These are phishing, baiting, pretexting, quid pro quo. We will discuss each of these social engineering attacks one by one later on. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.